latest episode of Megawalls, and I think I finally fixed my mic problem with this new mic. I think it's because I put my mic too close to my mouth, and therefore it was really like fuzzy. And now hopefully I don't think that problem occurs anymore, which is awesome. And yeah, I'm on my friend's Do You Like Sushi's account, and I'm playing some Megawalls. And yeah, just gonna put that out there. And this is him. He's got Enderman, Max ENDY, Max TP, and that's kind of awesome. Hopefully I won't get logged out, because that would be annoying, but still. Okay, I'm ready to go for the diamonds. Come on, hopefully I get good. Gonna go on the right here. And I agree, I got nothing. I think our team dominated. Yeah, we've got the new update at the moment. I'm playing the new update at the moment. Like, you can't maximum party of 5. Like, I'm not in the party at the moment, but just put that out there. Really? Speed 3 is so good. And no one's coming for me. This is kind of bad. Okay, they blocked off the wall. I'm not really good at this map, so I don't know where to go and stuff. And now you can track your own teammates. Please just break. Well, let's just slash kill. Had like no hope. Oh, I got the end chest. Well, this has been a bad game so far. Haven't got a single kill yet. Okay, Red's got the most players, but that's okay. Well, Enderman's therapy. Get the wombo combo stain. Got shot by a blaze. The cooldown's kind of annoying, but yeah, it'll be too OP otherwise. My reach though. Okay, 4K was looking a bit better. Okay. Health bar. This is a Dreadlord. I just ender dunked him. I got into the block. I got thing into the block. Speed 3 is so OP. Well, you missed your drop shot. And get wrecked. Strength, wow. Okay. I'm lagging a bit, got 10 kills. I'm not exactly playing this for, I'm not gonna play this for coins, I just wanna play for fun. Because I don't know, I love ENDY. Like, it's not my favorite kit, but like, it's such a fun kit to play. Just like one hit and he's dead. And TP into this guy because the guys behind me are following me. Oh, I just want my TP before I die. Okay, at least got my TP. "12 kills, 4 assists. With his lowest. Okay, well. I'll put this back. Arrows, that's a lot of arrows. This guy's getting the one block on the stain. Okay, this guy. Okay, well. Dead. But, I guess. Second last set. I still got more iron, so that's okay. Please don't die to spawn strength. Okay, good. It says with a health error. Okay. Because blue with it just said with a health error. Okay, I got 15. Just gonna quickly get like 18. Don't try KS, dude. Okay, I TP'd in. Okay, I got my 18. Just gonna get my TP. That's pretty good. Got speed. Okay, that guy's so low. Okay, I'm gonna get my last stuff. I'm not gonna risk it. I'm gonna sort my inventory out. Okay. There. 9, 8. It's there, that goes there. There, iron ingots there, apples there. Move out of the way. Blocks. Arrows, end chest arrows. Armor, spare armor. Sticks out. Start throw that out. Dirt. That's there. He needs wheat. Screw dirt. Okay. Okay, all the health's at 1. I love how you can see where your own teammate is now. Okay, I'm set. Let's see. This looks like it's gonna be quite easy game. Am I lagging? I don't want to rush on my last stuff. If this guy tries to rush us, dude, you ain't gonna be able to rush us. Not when I'm defending. No, I don't want to waste my TP on him. Okay, go up here. Oh, my hand hurts. I've been resting it, not on the mouse pad. Okay. Well, I'm not going to go with my teammates. I'm going to go here. And I'm really bad at making this jump, but okay. I'm at the Callus camp, and all looks well. Okay, hopefully green and red will die. If not, okay, green's dead. We should rush red, but hopefully green rush red for us. Let's see. Well, I got 18, 8 assists, 86 wither coins. I'm quite happy with that, to be honest. We should we should rush red. I just don't want to die, because I could actually like try to clutch this. Come on, please, someone rush red. I've got not that much food, so when it's deathmatch I can't stay here. But red is kind of good. Blue's Cool Things is pretty good at this game because yeah, he's on my friend list and we play together. Come on. Fine, I'll rush red. Where's red base? Okay. Red is dead. Thank you very much. Okay, I got my TP back as well. Getting a ton of finals. Get wrecked. This guy's getting wrecked. I got the case, but I care someone else back. Okay, I'm so good. Okay, I got my TP. Hate these spiders. I killed a shaman once. I wrecked him, and I died because of his dog. He spawned when he died. Okay, green are pretty good as well. Oh, this might be actually a bit intense. Six finals is pretty cool. Okay, that is bad. Okay, he TP to me. Okay. Okay, now we're leading. I assume we got like the advantage a little bit. I should be going for green, but they're a bit good. Where did the green guy go? Why can't I see green? Ah, I messed up. Why did I lose speed? This guy. Is a dead man? There was a damage sword earlier, but I can't find it. I'm gonna use bread because I'm not gonna run out of food. 9 fine was pretty good. I can't find green and radiant compass. Oh, I see it green, this guy. Yeah, how'd you like some TP shoe? Huh? Don't like it, do you? I have no TPs, I have to use speed. Okay, got both kills. You want 4 diamonds. I can't find reds. I shouldn't TP in. Okay. Got the kill. All is good. 13 kill. Wow. This is why ENDY is so OP. ENDY's like, oh my god, the amount of kills I get. For some reason my comments won't target green. Whoops. Whoops. Well. GG. I got a kill somehow. 14 finals. 1.2k coins, pretty decent. I got 4 spare diamonds. Due to have. No? Okay, I'll have it then. And we have 92 players left. My compass is broken. There you go. LOL, 14 finals. GG. Oh my god, 14 finals. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the demolition. 1451 coins for like ×2 multiplier. That's pretty awesome. 14 finals, unbelievable. Save the screenshot. And see you next time, guys. Bye.